So you're passionate about sales and you want to share that with other people. Here's what you can do. Go to the Gnowbe app and create a new program. Let's call it Sales Playbook 101. A fairly basic program in the realm of sales and marketing. Let's start with a catchy tagline to get our learners interested. Next, let's add an appropriate cover image as well as a program description so learners know what they're getting into. Now that we've finalized our program details, it's time to start building a new session. Let's call this Introduction and write down a few objectives to give the session some direction. Now it's time to add in some actions. With a variety of tools at our disposal, we can easily Gnowbify the content to make it interesting and engaging for learners. And once the program is complete, all that's left to do is share the program.